Very good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you some of the topics in the first lesson in geography titled Resources. So, in my previous modules, I have explained about the resources, its origin, its different types, etc. So, today let's discuss the topic sustainable development in this chapter. So before that, let me ask you some questions. Have you heard this word development, growth? What is the difference between this growth and the development? Yes, development means some it's the gradual growth of a situation that becomes more advanced and strong than the previous one. And the development is intended to bring a positive change for the human beings and its surroundings. So, what is development means? It is the gradual growth of a situation that brings the overall development of the human beings and its surroundings. Here in this slide we can see the sustainable development. What is this sustainable development? We have seen the definition of the development, that is the gradual growth of a situation which leads to the overall development of the human beings and its surroundings. Right? So here sustainable means what? It is that development which meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. So sustainable means that is the balanced development. Through the balanced development, we can meet the needs of the present generation as well as we'll be able to meet the needs of the future generations. Is it clear? So that is sustainable development. So through this development, we can meet the needs of the present generations without compromising the needs of the future generations. Without compromising means that is we can take into consideration both the present generations needs as well as the future generations needs. So what happens? There is a balanced development between the present as well as the future also. So we can meet both the generations needs. Is it clear? So that is sustainable development. So I hope it's clear. What is sustainable development? Next we can see through this sustainable development what we can achieve. Yes, we can improve the lifestyles and the well-being of the people. How? There comes the conservation as or preserving the natural resources and the ecosystems. How we can improve the well-being of the people? Through preserving the natural resources. We know that all these natural resources are the free gift of the nature. So sometimes we can see it is limited in supply also. Some resources are limited in supply. So if we use those resources wisely, we can save our future. What all the limited resources, we have to conserve or we have to preserve such resources. And we have to spend such resources for our needs, urgent needs. So we can use it wisely. And thereby we can save the present as well as the future also. So sustainable development increases the lifestyles of the people and as well as it leads to the overall development of the human beings also.